The COVID-19 outbreak brought the world to a standstill. Vaccines provided the hope of returning the world to normality. To achieve global immunity, at least 70% of the world's population would need to be vaccinated. This created an urgent need for around 10 billion new vaccine vials. The world faced a huge gap in supply. This is the special material used to make COVID-19 vials, neutral borosilicate glass tubing. In the past, only 3 countries in the world had mastered the technology needed to produce neutral borosilicate glass tubing. The COVID-19 outbreak further reduced the already limited production capacity. In China, a new production line is being fine-tuned. Its target annual production capacity is 5,000 tons, and it can produce nearly 600 million new vaccine vials. But controlling the temperature is the key to perfecting the process.
油炉是我们布雷行业的心脏，90%以上的缺陷都是与融化所成的。温度低了呢，就融化不了；但温度太高呢，同时会挥发的。温度太低太高都不行。
The furnace has been improved and upgraded under the technical guidance of the research team.
我们这里面呢，加热了地主熔，给外部加热为自发热，双向回流，促进了布雷的均化澄清。
The 1,600-degree molten glass has to undergo a 2-meter dash before it reaches the tubing machine. This presents a further temperature control conundrum, as the temperature needs to be cooled by 400 degrees during this short process.
还有小朋友，其他有什么问题啊？压力老不稳，玻璃温度还是不对。
Uneven temperature will result in bubbles. When drawn into a tube, this becomes a line of gas and the tube will be defective. A 2-meter-long platinum temperature-controlled feed passage was transported from Germany to China via the China-Europe Express.
就是这个，外交部这边出的一个特殊的邀请函，为保证重点项目所需的是国外的合作伙伴能够尽快到达项目。
This is for output percentage, right?
Yes, yes. Can hold it at 1 degree. It's very good process because we tested it and have it in many companies are running.
都正常，能看到了，走过下来，越来越好，越来越好。
Because neutral borosilicate glass has no exact freezing point, the problem of how to control the temperature throughout the entire tubing process, resulting in glass tubes with equal diameters, is particularly hard to solve. A defect in the diameter the size of a human hair could shut down an entire automated vaccine filling production line, so there is no room for error. Since the production line needs to run 24 hours a day under strict temperature control, a high-precision detector is also required to eliminate defective glass tubes. Italian experts arrived in China with a shipment of advanced testing equipment. Disregarding their jet lag, they got to work straight away in order to get the equipment set up and running as quickly as possible. Mr. Dai, meanwhile, had to adjust to European time.
可以了吗？
This one is okay. I need to fix this one. Comment is to sort out the good tube from the bad tube by searching for a big knot.
我们已经是2维的，其实是3维的，真的很不错。这么短的时间能够干好，谢谢。
The global pandemic of COVID-19 has to be solved by a united world.
世界范围内爆出了新冠疫苗用玻璃容器短缺的问题。这个时间点，2号炉产品上线，无疑带来新的希望。